everyone, I am Pallavi and welcome to my channel. Today I am going to give a book review on the book called Who Will Cry When You Die by Robin Sharma. Robin Sharma is well known for his books called The Monk Who Sold His Ferrari as well as 5 AM Club. So I just thought of picking up this book called Who Will Cry When You Die just for the sake of self-help. Now this book is a self-help book and basically non-fiction type of book. Author has mentioned all his experiences regarding the lessons that he have learned from the life in this book. This book consists of 101 short chapters which will enhance your habits or day-to-day life, and it will make you a really very profound person if you follow these 101 principles. Now these 101 chapters are not lengthy ones. Each chapter is just of 1 to 2 pages and every day you can read 1 to 2 chapters. I just want to put forward to you that I just thought this book has really helped me. Like the day from when I read this book, my mindset regarding all the habits that I had really changed. Actually, the author is really friendly while writing the matter in this book. Actually, he's not just telling you some things to do. He is helping you out while telling those things, that how to do it in simple manner. Now, I have liked one thing in this book the most. The sentence that author has used in this book has really touched my heart. The sentence further goes like, when you are born in this world, you cry, whereas the world rejoices. So what do you expect when you are dying? What the world should do? The world should cry for you and you should rejoice in peace. So this is how we should live our lives, so that people will at the end recall us for the good deeds that we had done. Now for having done that good deeds, what do we need to do? We need to improve as a person. And how you are going to improve as a person? Just by inculcating few good habits as well as few different decisions in your life. Like if you have the habit of worrying, then how you can stop worrying and start rejoicing the life that you are having. Basically, I am going to discuss with you few chapters from this book that has helped me a lot. There are many beautiful chapters in this book, but I have some few special chapters that I really felt that I should discuss with you all, which really are very close to my heart. So first chapter that I am going to read for you is Discover Your Calling. So basically the author says that whatever your inner mind says, just discover those things and work like that. One chapter in this book discusses about practice tough love. Now practicing tough love, this was the first concept that came to my mind. Maybe something like tough love, does it exist in this world? Then I just read about it in this book, and tough love means self-discipline. Self-discipline, how can you say it a tough love? Because self-discipline is probably the love you have for yourself, and it's like you're forcing yourself to do the things. So it's said by author in this book as tough love. So that concept I really liked. The chapter that is really very close to my heart from this book is Talk to Yourself. Now the author says that in our day-to-day life, in busy schedules, we just tend to forget to talk to ourselves about the priorities we have and the life we have. So basically the author herein mentions that every day take out 5 to 10 minutes for yourself to talk to yourself. Now with those things, the author has mentioned really very beautiful lines in this book that I would really like to read it for you. The lines are, Hazrat Inayat Khan said, the words that enlighten the soul are more precious than jewels. Now, it is really heart-touching line. Don't you find it really beautiful? Another chapter that I like from this book is Care for the Temple. Now, author says, temple means the body you have. The body is serving us, therefore we should care for it by regularly exercising or just taking brisk walk for at least half an hour a day. Another chapter that I like from this book is Bless Your Money. Now blessing your money is something we don't think of really. Like we spend thousands of rupees and we just don't mind spending them. And herein the author mentions that even if you are spending 10 rupees or you're giving 10 rupees to anyone, just have the feeling inside your mind that those 10 rupees will bring out pleasure in someone, that it will bring out happiness in lives of other people. So when you bless your money, that money is going to get doubled and that's going to come in your life. Another chapter is write thank you notes. Like whatever work you're doing or whatever deals you're having, whether in office or in friendship, you just lend many things from your neighbors, just say thank you. Write them thank you while messaging. Thank you is such an important word that will bring out value out of your life when you use it really very frequently, because it feels so good when someone says to you thank you genuinely. The other chapter that I would like to discuss with you all is schedule worry breaks. Now author says that whenever we are in a situation we feel worried, we worry the whole day about that situation. So instead of doing that, do one thing, that in a day just schedule half an hour for worrying. In that half an hour you are just going to worry about the things that you have in your life, and rest of the day you are not going to think about it anything. So the author says that for 1 day, 2 days, 3 days you will worry, and after that slowly this habit will fade out from your life. Now these were the few chapters that I liked and I discussed with you all. Along with these chapters, the author has written many beautiful mind uplifting things in this book. So this is something that I just felt worth it to share with you all. If you have read this book, do comment below in the comment section that what you feel about this book. And yeah, if I have to review this book, I will give 5 out of 5 points to this book, because it is a short and sweet book and really I felt like this is worth it. Just do give it a try if you haven't read it till now. And do comment below in the comment section if you have read this book. Do share your views about this book, and if you haven't read this book till now, do read it, give it a try, and just come back and tell me in the comment section what you feel about the book. And if you liked today's video, do give it a thumbs up, and it always means a lot when you support me, when you subscribe the channel. Thank you, and see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.